Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here. So in today's video, we're going to take this old lifelike F40PH in a Burlington Northern paint scheme, and this has now become my very favorite locomotive because of the paint scheme. I don't know why, I just love this paint scheme. So there you go, guys. But I've ran it. I mean, it runs all right. It's having some issues. The motor, I got to clean up the pickups. That's one of the bigger problems with this. It's not getting very good pickup. But I'm just going to give it a full cleanup and restoration. So, anyways, guys, let's hop right in. Okay, let's give it a test. Ooh, alright. Let's hook it up to my little train. There it goes. Nice. Well, there you have it, folks. Now let's end off the video with some running shots.